The processes for the identification of areas and strategic spots for the deployment of the Central Armed Police Force to check illegal transportation of coal in Meghalaya is on. Informing this, Justice B.P. Kataki said that following the High Court's directive, it is expected that the centre would deploy 10 companies of police force in different locations. We are in the process of identifying the strategic points where these deployments should be made for checking illegal transportation of coal, he said.
Assessment, assessment on the illegal coal trade, sir.
Transportation, the High Court, as you know, the High Court in the last order passed, there is a direction issued for deployment of Central Police Force. And the High Court has fixed on 2017 all probability. But expecting that the Government of India will deploy the Central Police Force, 10 companies. We are in the process of identifying the strategic points where this deployment should be for the purpose of checking the illegal transportation of coal. So we are in that process. The discussion is going on for the purpose of identifying